Strong, the powerful one from SCC Air Compressors. Our oil-injected screw compressor impresses with its outstanding energy efficiency, even in continuous operation, developed by our experts in Germany. With outputs ranging from 15 to 250 kilowatts and an operating pressure of 5 to 13 bar, the Strong offers the ideal basis for many applications. Thanks to the use of the highly efficient IE4 permanent magnet motor, the compressor adapts continuously to your actual consumption, saving you up to 10% more energy while still delivering maximum performance. The oil-lubricated compression and robust construction not only ensure high reliability, but also make maintenance much more user-friendly thanks to the generous interior space. With the super intelligent C80 controller, you are always aware of the status of your compressor, including simple guidance via touchscreen. All our compressors are thoroughly tested by our experts and come with a 5-year warranty. Full power, high reliability, maximum efficiency. That's our Strong, the powerful one. Developed by SCC Air Compressors, your partner for high-quality compressed air solutions.